Hi student, this is Bhagavad sir. Today I am going to explain the concept number 3 relating to the profit and loss appropriation account from the chapter Accounting for Partnership, chapter number 2, basic concept. Okay, first pause the video and note this question, page number 1. This is page number 2. Pause the video and note down. This is concept. First I'll explain in English. Next I'll explain in Kannada. The profit and loss appropriation account is the extension of the profit and loss account. Debit side expenses and losses, credit side revenue means income, gain, profit. These expenses and losses, revenues are concerning the partners only. Okay? These are not the original entry items. These are the transferring entries, means whatever the expenses and losses, revenue accounts appearing in the profit and loss appropriation accounts are transferred from the expenses and losses and revenue account to the profit and loss appropriation account. Once again I am telling you, the items appearing in the profit and loss appropriation accounts are not the original entries. These are transferred from the expenses and losses and revenue account to the profit and loss appropriation account. But for easy purpose, we can remember like this also. If there is increase in the expenses and losses, write on the debit side. If there is a increase in the revenue, write on the credit side. Because we are partnership accountant, it means, we are partnership firm accountant. We are thinking on the partnership firm point of view. From the partnership point of view, if it is expenses and losses and concerned with the partner, then write on the debit side. If it is a revenue to the partnership firm, then write on the credit side. This is enough. Okay. Suppose credit side is more, there is a profit. If debit side is more, there will be a loss. Okay, note down it. Then I'll continue. Today's class is a running class. It means whenever I write, you should also write. Okay, next. First I will read the question. Everybody follow me. Try to understand it. Concept number 3. On 1st April 2016, Mr. A, Mr. B and Mr. C started a business. Underline the word started. It means it is new partnership firm. Got it? I think you are understanding it. In partnership, Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C contributed rupees 3 lakh, rupees 2 lakh and rupees 1 lakh by way of capital. Underline capital. It is the capital contributed by the partners. Mr. A 3 lakh, Mr. B 2 lakh, Mr. C 1 lakh. I think point is clear. Next. It was agreed that, it means agreement. Interest be allowed on the capital at 6% per annum and charged on the drawings at 8% per annum. It means rate of interest on the capital is 6% per annum. Rate of interest on the drawings is 8% per annum. During the financial year, underline, the firm is following financial year. Means accounts start on 1/4/2016, end on 31st/2017. They earned profit, underline, earned profit, rupees 22,200 before, underline, before adjusting the following. Before adjusting the following. It means that we have to adjust these items now. Mr. A's salary 1000 per month, underline per month. 1 month salary is 1000, then for 12 months 12,000. Mr. B's annual, underline, annual commission rupees 6,000, means Mr. B is eligible to get the commission of rupees 6,000 per annum. Mr. C's bonus 3,000. Interest on capital. What is the rate of interest on the capital? 6% per annum. Okay, in this page, who are the partners? Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C. What is their capital contribution? 3 lakh, 2 lakh, 1 lakh respectively. Then, what is the profit earned before following? 22,200. A is eligible for salary 1,000 per month. B is eligible for commission, annual commission 6,000. B is entitled to get the bonus 6,000. Interest on capital is 6% per annum. Now come to the page number 2. Page number 2. Interest on partners drawings. Mr. A rupees 10,400, Mr. B 9,600, Mr. C 8,800. Its rate of interest also given, and at the same time interest on drawings amount is also given. So information ready made available. There is no need to calculate the interest on drawings. During the financial year, during 2016-17 partner, Mr. A withdrew rupees 20,000 at the beginning of each month. Mr. B withdrew rupees 20,000 in the middle of each month. Mr. C withdrew rupees 20,000 at the end of each month. But in order to solve the profit and loss appropriation account, if the rate of interest is given, amount of drawing is given, but interest on drawings is not given, only in such cases we have to calculate the interest on drawings. But in this question, interest on drawings is given in the question. This information is irrelevant. This information is given to confuse the students. Okay, prepare the profit and loss appropriation account, and then prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the financial year ending 31st/2017. Okay, in the total question, who are the partner? Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C. What is their profit sharing ratio? Profit sharing ratio is not given. We should assume that profit sharing ratio is 1:1:1, because in the Indian Partnership Act 1932, in the absence of profit sharing ratio, absence means the profit sharing ratio is not given in the question, it is assumed to be equal. Okay, now everybody follow me. Okay, now draw the format. First write on the top. Let us start with profit and loss appropriation account. Next line, for the year ending 31st/3/2017. Okay, everybody draw the format like this. Take a time, pause the video and draw the format like this. You don't write here. Format is ready. If format is ready, then play the video. Right here revenue, on the debit side expenses and losses, amount, you don't write here anything. This is inner column, outer column, inner column, outer column. Let us start. Come to the question. Keep your question side by side. During the financial year 2016-17, they earned a profit of rupees 22,200 before adjusting. Before adjusting, right here by profit and loss account, into bracket NP, before adjustment. What is the before adjustment given in the question? 22,200. 22,200. Write it. Ready? Everybody written? If your writing is complete, continue. Now, the debit side. Before Mr. A's salary, right here, to Mr. A's salary, rupees 1,000 into 12 months, it is rupees 12,000. Completed? If completed, follow me. Next, Mr. B's annual commission to Mr. B's commission, rupees 6,000. Completed? Everybody? Next, to Mr. C's bonus, rupees 3,000. Completed? Interest on capital, right here, to interest on capital. Completed? Right below, Mr. A 3 lakh into 6% is 18,000. Mr. B rupees 2 lakh into 6% is 12,000. Mr. C rupees 1 lakh, 6% is 6,000. Now total it. Draw the two line. Write opposite to interest on capital. Take the calculator. 18,000 plus 12,000 plus 6,000. Total is 36,000. Got it? Now continue. Next, come to the page number 2. Interest on partners' drawings. It is given in the question. By interest on drawings, Mr. A 10,400, Mr. B 9,600, Mr. C 8,800. Draw the two line. Okay, draw the two line. Take the calculator, total it. 10,400 plus 9,600 plus 8,800. The total is 28,800. Right here. Completed. Next, buy. Now check it. Whether credit side is more or debit side is more. If credit side is more, there is a profit. But if there is debit side is more, loss. In this case, debit side is more. See, 12,000 plus 6,000 plus 3,000 plus 36,000. The total become 57,000. 57,000. Right here. 57,000. Draw the line. Write the same amount on the credit side. $57,000. Ready? Take the calculator. 57,000 minus 22,200 minus 28,800. The answer in the calculator is 6,000. 6,000 is a loss. Now you write here by partners capital account. Because debit side is more, it is a loss. Then why I have written a partners capital account? There are two methods of maintaining the partners capital account. One is partners fixed capital method, and the other is partners capital account under fluctuating method. One is fixed capital method, second one is fluctuating capital method. If in the question whether fixed capital system is given, followed, or fluctuating capital method is followed, is not given, in such a case we should assume that partners capitals are fluctuating. Partners capitals are under fluctuating capital method. Then we have to write here partners capital account. If it is given that fixed capital system, then we have to write here partners current account. In this question information is not given, that's why we have to write partners capital account, assuming partners capitals are under fluctuating capital system. Okay, now take the calculator once again. Debit side is more, 57,000. Write that debit side total. Okay, this is the total. Okay, write this 57,000. Write that 57,000 on the credit side. 57,000 minus 22,200 minus 28,800. The difference is 6,000. 6,000 is a loss. Right here 6,000. 6,000 is the total loss. We have to distribute this loss among the partners. But in this question, write here first loss in 1:1. Why? In the question, profit sharing ratio is not given, then equal. There are 3 partners, that's why 1:1:1. Got it? Now, continue. Mr. A. What is the total loss? 6,000. A's ratio is 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 3. It is 2,000. Mr. B. What is the total loss? 6,000. His ratio is 1. Total is 3. 2,000. Mr. C. Total loss is 6,000. His share is 1. Total is 3. 2,000. Okay? But don't write in the outer column. You got it? Understood? Let us start. Revision. If items are relating to the partners, those are expenses and losses, and incomes, then write in the profit and loss appropriation account. Understand? If it is given that before adjusting, before means these items yet to be adjusted, then you write in the profit and loss appropriation account. Check it whether it is the expenses and losses concerned with the partner, then write on the debit side. If it is the revenue concerned with the partner, write on the credit side. Got it? And give your opinion whether you are feeling like you are in the class or not. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಾನಿವಾಗ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನಾನಿವಾಗ ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Concept number 3. On 1st April 2016, Mr. A, Mr. B and Mr. C started a business in a partnership. ಅಂದರೆ 1/4/2016 ಎ, ಬಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿ ಎಂಬ 3 ಜನರು ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಲುಗಾರಿಕೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದರು. Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C contributed rupees 3 lakh, 2 lakh and rupees 1 lakh by way of capital. ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಪಾಲುಗಾರರು ಅಂದರೆ ಎ, ಬಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿ 3 ಲಕ್ಷ, 2 ಲಕ್ಷ, 1 ಲಕ್ಷವನ್ನು ಅನುಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅಗ್ರೀಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಥರ ಇತ್ತು, ಒಪ್ಪಂದ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ 6% ಪರ್ annum. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು 6% ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ 8% ಪರ್ annum. ಅಂದರೆ ಕೌಟುಂಬಿಕ ವೆಚ್ಚ ಅಂದರೆ ಡ್ರಾವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ 8% ಪರ್ annum ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪರ್ annum. ಹೌದಾ? ದೆನ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಯರ್ 2016-17 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಣಕಾಸಿನ ವರ್ಷ 16 ಮತ್ತು 17ರಲ್ಲಿ ದಿ ಅರ್ನ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ₹22,200 ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್. ಅಂದರೆ 2016 ಮತ್ತು 17ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಐಟಮ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಅವರು ₹22,200 ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನೇನು? ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ₹1,000 ಪರ್ ಮಂತ್. ಎ ಎಂಬ ಪಾಲುಗಾರನಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ತಿಂಗಳು ₹1,000 ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ's ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ₹6,000. ಬಿಗೆ 1 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 6,000 ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸಿ's ಬೋನಸ್ 3,000. ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿ ಎಂಬ ಪಾಲುಗಾರನಿಗೆ 1 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 3,000 ಬೋನಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾವಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರಾವಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಎ 10,400, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ 9,600, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸಿ 8,800. ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಲುಗಾರರ ಕೌಟುಂಬಿಕ ವೆಚ್ಚದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿಯನ್ನು ಈ ತರ ವಿಧಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಗೆ 10,400, ಬಿ 9,600, ಸಿ 8,800. ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಯರ್ 2016-17 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಣಕಾಸಿನ ವರ್ಷ 16 ಮತ್ತು 17ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಎಂಬ ಪಾಲುಗಾರನು ಪ್ರತಿ ತಿಂಗಳ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ₹20,000 ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಿ ಎಂಬ ಪಾಲುಗಾರರು ಪ್ರತಿ ತಿಂಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ₹20,000 ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಿ ಎಂಬ ಪಾಲುಗಾರರು ಪ್ರತಿ ತಿಂಗಳ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ₹20,000 ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡ್ರಾವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಡ್ರಾವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇದರ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡ್ರಾವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವೇನು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ 31/3/2017. ಹೌದಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಇದರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟದ ಮುಂದುವರಿದ ಭಾಗ, ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾಭ ನಷ್ಟ ಖಾತೆಯ ಮುಂದುವರಿದ ಭಾಗ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ರೆವಿನ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಪಾಲುಗಾರನಾಗಿ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು, ಪಾಲುಗಾರಿಕೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ರೆವಿನ್ಯೂ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗಳು ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ರೆವಿನ್ಯೂ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರ್ತವೆ. ಇವು ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದಾಗ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ರೆವಿನ್ಯೂ ಆದಾಗ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರೂಲ್. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೊಡೀರಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ರೆಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಬರಿತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ and loss appropriation account. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ